What's up? Hey guys, real quick unboxing here. I got a mini Bluetooth keyboard. It's for basically anything. Works with iPad, iPhone, OS, PS3, smartphone. Check it out. The PS3 is right there. And then there's iPhone. But I'm waiting to try this keyboard out. Check it out. What's in this package? A mini Bluetooth keyboard, an installation CD, power USB 2.0 cable, portable leather bag, and the portable smartphone holder. So I know what you're saying. What are you waiting for? Get that bad boy open. Okay, so let's break the tape here. This came all the way from uh, Hong Kong. So, alright. I see they bubble wrap this thing full hardcore. What is that? Look at this little mini CD. Oh. Just fighting his army trick. Hope you're enjoying the music. Okay. Well, there's the installation. How is that going to fit in my Mac? Okay, always has to be a challenge, huh? So we'll just stick that over there. And then get the rest of this out here. Wow, this is really mini. I was thinking it was going to be bigger than that, but I know that guy's laughing at me because he's like, how are you going to put your big old fingers on that little keyboard? Here's my charger. Looks like my same phone charger. But anyway. Wow, this thing is really... Look at this. Am I going to be able to play World of Warcraft like that? 1, 2, 3 buttons feel really cool. So let's see if we can turn this bad boy on. Boom, it's on right there. Cool, and the battery is charged, I guess. Shift, enter. I'll hook it up and we'll see how it works, guys. See soon.